In today's liturgy, the readings we hear the story of faith. The faith of Jairus, the head of the synagogue, and the faith of that woman with hemorrhage. Both received healing. The faith of Jairus received the healing, not only healing, but her daughter. Jesus raised her daughter back to life. And the faith of that woman, she was healed because of the faith. Yes, the church is also the story of faith. When you believe it, then you will see it. Not the other way around. When you see it, then believe it. No. The story of faith is when you first believe, then the Lord will show you. Yes, this church. First the Lord showed this church in faith. And then we started building it. The Lord has shown this. And with your prayers and with your offerings, we have reached up to this point. You can see the plaster work outside and inside is complete. Now the dome is under being constructed. And slowly it's coming up. You will see in the picture also the plan of the church. According to the design, according to the vision which the Lord has shown us, we are constructing this church. I thank each one of you for your constant support and prayers, especially those who have sent their donations. Thank you very much. God bless you. Shalom. Please continue helping us. With your help, we will be able to complete this church. Thank you. God bless you all. Shalom.